extensions in Google Drive. Just open your drive and go to new and click on more, and here I have added some apps. Just click on connect more apps, and you can search for some uh, apps that you need. So here today let us see how to draw a flowchart. Just type flowchart. So there are many apps that gets displayed here: free flowchart maker, diagrams, etc, etc. Diagrams are already installed. You can just click on this diagram and you can install it. As I have already installed it, is asking me to uninstall. So using these diagrams you can draw flowchart and many things. And before installing any app, you can just click on the website of the app and see whether there is some pricing, or whether there is any pricing, or whether it is free or not, and then install the required app. I'll close this app and go to this app which I have already installed, diagrams. Just I'll click on a blank diagram and click create. And this is the sheet that gets opened up, and you can start drawing it using this general templates that are available, that are the shapes that are available, like a rectangle or a rounded rectangle, a circle or a triangle, or any other things. So what's more interesting is here you have got some miscellaneous diagrams that are available. For example, some labels and pictures can be added up like this, and very importantly you can move it here and there. And some tables, if it is necessary, you can represent some tables, and which are these are readily available here, and whatever the products are there. Similarly, you can insert not only the shapes, let us click on more shapes, and here you have got many tools like material designs, science. If I click electrical, basic logic gates, etc, etc, many things comes up. I'll just enable this for representation, fluid power also, as well as some cabinets, and some clip arts. Just click apply. So these things are enabled already to this drop down menus. So here if I click on telecommunication, some images are already ready, so I can use the general shape and edit the style, or add a text. And you can edit the text very easily, and you can increase the font size also, and you can add the connectors between the box very easily. An arrow or simple connectors, and draw connectors, and very easily these will match with respect to the corners and midpoints. So that is the main advantage of this particular drawings. And similarly you can redraw the shapes and convert the shapes as it is. And after completing the drawing, you can simply download it as a JPG file and use it for any diagrams or complexity. You can rotate it also and edit the text fill it with some color, add some text, arrange it very easily with respect to colors, and whatever you editing that is done can be very easily downloaded. And this image, if I want to download very easily as a JPG, you just have to go to export as and save it as JPG file, or the whole image will be saved as a PDF, also can be saved as a PDF also. Very important thing is I'll go to advanced and increase this DPI to 400 or 600. I'll just enter 800 so that the clarity will be very good. Just click JPG and just click export, and yes, you can download it to your device that is already here. Now you can see the image has been downloaded, and you can use this image to your insert this image to your Word file or any other file, PPT, etc., with respect to very good resolution, and then use it for any other purposes you like. So same way, there are many clip arts for computer, similarly for finance, networking, people's also. Some images can be added up together. Some organization charts can be prepared. Similarly, some logic gates can also be inserted, and some electrical connectors and graphs can also be represented. Resistors, representation of the resistors to provide a loop, or diodes, representation of a diodes, any electrical instruments. So many things can be added up. For example, fluid, let us see fluid power. If you want to connect more apps, you can connect more apps. And for fluid power also, the control valves and other representations are already there. You can just simply drag and drop and complete a circuit, and go to file and export it to JPG. And that helps a lot to complete a flowchart very easily.